you're cheating, Abby. Get your hip over. Go, Nayeli. Where's your happy place? I'm practicing splits every day. Go. I'm gonna practice my splits every day. Try, baby girl. Try. Try splits. Okay, do it again. Let's go. Let's go. I want bigger and better. First position. Boys and girls, look. Boys and girls, practice first position at home. Wait. First position at home. Good. Shh. Maya, kick it. Kick, Maya. Show the boys and girls your happy place. Splits, good. Kick. Victoria, splits. Nice. Siri, your happy place. Wow. Grace, show the kids your happy place. Abby, go. Kick, Abby. Splits. I'm gonna show you my happy place. Practicing splits every day. Splits every day. Practicing my splits every day. Down, 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 down. Slide to split. Down, down. Slide, splits, 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 splits. Good girl, splits. Abby, splits, splits. Hold it, girls. Hold it. Looking good. Going to point your toes. Point your toes. I'm going to practice. Get your body up, Maya. Body up. We're going to practice, practice, practice our splits every day. Say, we're going to find our happy place. Right around. Siri, right around, right around, right around. Say it. I know one day that I'll find my happy place. Right around. Maya, splits. Right around. Find my happy place. Go. Hold it. Nice, nice, Victoria. Right around, Siri. Get right around, Siri. You're cheating, Siri. Abby, you're cheating. Okay, do the other leg, girls. Show the boys and girls the other leg. Every day I'm going to practice. Practice my splits at home. Yeah, good. Practice, practice. Go. Practice my splits at home. Better, Abby. Better, Siri. Practice your splits, Emmy. If you want to get down, you go to practice every day. Mwah. My happy place is practicing my ballet every day. Practicing my ballet, my stretches, and my splits. Hold it. Who's going to win the competition, the splits competition? Who can get the lowest, boys and girls? Who's practicing at home? Splits. I'm going to practice and practice and practice and practice and practice. Turn your legs out, big girls. I'm going to practice and practice and practice and practice until I turn your leg out. So Victoria, sing with me. I know one day that I'll find my happy place. Okay, everyone show me your pancakes. Pancakes, go. Open your legs. Flat as a pancake. Stretch your knees. Grace. Flat, flat like a pancake. Good, you three. Good. Grace, come down here. Like a pancake. Point your toes now, girls. Point your toes like ballerinas. We have ballerinas. Sing. I know one day I'll find my happy place because I'm going to work so hard. Work so hard. I'm going to stretch every day and work so hard. Because I want to get it. I'm going to do it. Who's going to get their splits 3 ways? I know one day I'm going to... And you hold it there. And you hold it. Stretch your legs and point your feet, girls. Point your toes. Looking better. Now, pike this way. Pike this way. Arms up. Now do your bridges. Pike like this. Legs like this. Look, 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 look. Siri. Pike up. Yeah, pike, 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 pike. Hurry up. Point your toes. Wait, arms up. This is pike, boys and girls. Say pike. Hold it. Now kiss your knees. Show the boys and girls how you go flat, 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 flat. Spread out because you're going to do bridges. Down, you three. Down, down. Knees. No, not yet, not yet. Pike, kiss your knees. Roll down, go back. Show me bridge. Show me your bridges. Show me bridge. Oh my goodness, you're so great. Sing. Show me bridge. Show me your bridges. Show the boys and girls at home how you practice. Show rock and roll. Now do rock and roll. Rockin'. Emmy knows how to do that. Rock and roll, so you can do this at home. Point your toes. Rock and roll. Show the boys and girls. Rock and roll. Rock and roll. Okay, stretch your bodies. Tight bodies. Go back, lay back. Arms up. Grab your leg over your head. Right leg, grab it. Stretches like this. Practice at home, boys and girls. Grace, grab your leg. Point your ballerina feet. Sing it. Stretch it, stretch it. Everybody stretch it. Stretch it, stretch it. Point your legs, point your legs, point your legs. Stretch it. Abby, you're not working. You're not working. Point your legs, guys. Stretch it. Change legs, change legs. Other leg, go. Stretch it, stretch it. Mommy, look how I stretch it. Over your head, in front, in front, in front. Point your toes, girls. You're not stretching your feet. You're ballerinas. Show. Okay, pretty good. Now show me seal. Lie on your tummy this way. Seals. Show me a seal that way. Seals this way. Like Abby. Look at Abby's seal. Show the boys and girls that way. Show them. Remember? Say, quick, quick. Go, go, go. A tisket, tasket. I lost my basket. Seals. Where's my seals? Point your toes. Point your toes. Point your toes. A tisket, a tasket. I lost something in my basket. Point your feet, girls. Okay, now one arm up on the one arm up, other arm up. Hold it. Get it up, get it up, get it up, everyone. Get it up, get it up, get it up. Try, 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 try. Abby, get it up. Grab your toes now. Right back. Watch Maya do this. She's good at this. Look, point your toes. Look how Maya, see how she gets back on her hips like that? That's what I want, boys and girls. Back on your hips. Okay, well, pretty good. You just got to practice every day. Practice, 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 practice. Okay, now we have to practice. Oh, Maya, show them the handstand against the wall. Watch Maya's handstand, boys and girls. Wait, Maya's going to show you. Wait, point your foot. Watch. Go. Kick, kick, good. Point your feet. Don't arch your back. Maya, don't arch your back. Woo! Good try. Okay, Victoria, go. Wait for Victoria. Go. Kick it up. Point your toes. Point. Don't arch your backs, guys. You're arching a bit too much. Point your toes. Point your toes. Pretty good. Looking good. Looking good. Okay, down. Hand. Good. 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 Okay, pretty good. We're working on that.